it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and today we are opening the Sweetwater label subscription. So let's see what they sent us this time. This is a monthly subscription, and they personalize the quilting labels for you. So it'll have your name on it, and it's usually between 1 to 4 labels that they'll send you. So here it is. Looks like we got one label this time. I absolutely love it though. It says all you need is love and a quilt. And then of course it has my name on it. I love this little postage stamp look. That is so cute. Awesome. I love it. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.